on there. There you go, that's our chicken Alfredo bake with our broccoli and pen. Oh yes please. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're doing an easy bake. Okay, we start off in a pan, we throw it in a dish, throw it in the oven, put it on the table. We are doing a chicken Alfredo and broccoli bake. Come on, boiling water. Now we're going to use pen pasta. That's a ton of salt. You need salt in there with the pasta. A little one of those. We're going to bring that up to the boil. We'll boil for 8 minutes. And then we're going to chuck the broccoli in there to blanch in there. Little stir. Come on, get it up to the boil. Now, it's a simple recipe this. I've actually, as you can see, I've baked the chicken already. Okay, I've cooked the chicken in the oven, but you want cooked chicken. Shred it up the best you can. Big chunks, small chunks, entirely up to you, depends what you want to eat. Or just get it from the rotisserie or anywhere. You want cooked chicken. Let's make this bake easy. So it's good for leftovers. Okay, when you've had your 8 minutes, broccoli florets that we've prepared in there. We need to be blanching those for about 2 minutes. Get them under there. Come on. Okay, when you've had a couple of minutes, you get the flame off. You grab yourself a bowl. And we put that in there. Oh, we chuck one away there, look. Straight in there. Oh, a lot of steam here. So there we go, we got a good mixture there of our broccoli and our pen pasta. To one side, grab yourself a pan, chunk of butter in the pan, get your flame on, in there your garlic, let's have that cooked off in there, take the rawness out, in there, a couple of tablespoons of flour, cook out the rawness of the flour. Well, it takes about a minute to cook the rawness out. Look, you can see it's bubbling away nice and steady in there. Just give it a little turn over. A little bit of pepper going in there. Salt and pepper to taste, milk, cream, chuck it all in together and give it a whisk up. None of this, add a little bit, add a little bit, add a little bit. It's going to thicken anyway, come on. It's flour, it has to. That's the science of flour. Amazing that, look, it's thickened. Turn your flame off, in there with your Parmesan. Give it a little stir in. Now if it's too thick, add a little bit more milk or water. Oh, it's a bit gloopy that, look. Get me a splash more milk in there, look. Don't stress. Give it a stir up. It'll go in. Oh, try not to splash everywhere. There you go, look at that. Beautiful. No hassle, no problem. Grab the bowl with your pasta and your broccoli in there with your chicken. Give it a little one of those. We want to turn over on there, get it in. Right, we want all that sauce in there. Oh, I tell you what we want to do. We want to stir in a little pinch of nutmeg. Of course we do. Come on. A little bit of nutmeg in there. That's going to give us some super flavour. Here we go. Oh yeah. There you go. That was easy enough, wasn't it? Okay, all that in there. And then we're going to give it a good stir up. Good stir in, come on. Oh yeah. Look at that thing. Sensational. That is incredible. Okay, bring in the dish that you're going to use. Now I got this thing and I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil in there. You don't have to oil anything out. It's just old school. We just tend to do it for some reason. You know, you can use butter, anything like that. Right, we want that lot in there. Someone's going to ask, this is about a 9x. All we got to do is get some mozzarella on there. Now this is mozzarella, but it's not white, it's yellow. I have no idea. Okay, a little bit of Parmesan on there. It actually looks like cheddar. Anyway, not to worry. Right, a little bit of pepper over the top for me. And that goes in the oven about 30 minutes. Come on. Until it's all melted and golden. Okay, when you've had your time, oh, come on. Look at that beautiful dish. Oh yeah, on there. That smells absolutely amazing. There you go, that's our chicken Alfredo bake with our broccoli and pen. Oh yes, please. Give it 5 and we're going to serve it up. Come on, we are in. Oh yeah. Oh, that is absolutely boiling in there. On there. Oh yes, please. And on there with a little bit of crusty, buttered crusty. Look at that. That is an absolutely awesome meal. That's our chicken Alfredo bake with broccoli and pen. There you go. Now I was going to push it up with a little bit of parsley, so we will. There you go. Oh, this is absolutely superb in there. Oof, that's a bit warm, isn't it? Look at that, it's steaming away. Might not shove that all in my gob at one go. Nice bit of broccoli. Oh, that is delightful. Come on in here for a bit of pasta and our sauce. Oh, you've got that hint of garlic in there. It's creamy. Bit of cheese. You've got that underlying nutmeg. That is delicious. That is red hot. Well, there you go. That is absolutely superb. That's an easy tray bake using cooked chicken. It's absolutely delightful, but you know, it's a little bit plain Jane for me, to be honest. You got that flavour through there, you know, but this is crying out for a good heaped teaspoon of English mustard stirred in the sauce. Oh, delicious. You know, even Dijon will actually do it. Well, you can see it is absolutely delicious. Wants a bit more flavour for me, it wants the mustard. There you go. If you like what we're doing, that is a fantastic easy bake to do in the oven. Tell all your friends how easy that is. If you do like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell, and we'll catch you in the next video. That is gorgeous.